Hi, good evening everyone. This side Gagandeep Singh. I am a 30-year-old chemistry's teacher. I met with an accident, it's been almost 3 months from now. And after that I contacted Dr. Rahul and I got this leg fractured and I got the plates inserted and all the screws and every treatment was done, and it's been almost 3 months now and I'm quite happy due to the fact that it has been treated well. I can walk, I can do all the daily chores as easy as I was doing earlier. I'm truly happy by the way doctor has treated me. He's so humble, gentle and way experienced doctor I've ever met, and thank you all. Everyone should approach him. Thank you.